Alrighty, let's do the electric slide. The electric slide is a very basic dance. It's a really good one to start with. It's foundational for many of the dances that we do in our various videos. So, with the electric slide, you're going to start out, take your right foot to the side 1, you're going to cross behind 2, take your right foot over 3, and stomp and clap on 4. Back to the left, left, right, left, stomp. Try that with me. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Take it back, back, 2, 3, and rock back on 4. And then you're going to rock forward, you're going to rock back, you're going to rock forward and get to your next wall. As in all of these line dances, you're going to repeat these patterns to all 4 walls. So we've got to get there. So let's do it where you're working with me and I'm facing the back. Taking it to the right, it's right, cross behind left, right, stomp, left, right, left, stomp. Take it back, 2, 3, rock back, down and tap, rock, back, down, quarter turn. You're at your next wall. And you're just going to continue that pattern and do it to all 4 walls. The key here is to keep your feet nice and tight underneath you, make it smooth, and just have some fun with it. Let's do it to all 4 walls. Right, left, right, left, right, left, back it up, down and tap, rock back, down and turn. Right, left, right, left, right, left, back it up, down and tap, rock back, down and turn, right, left, right, left, right, left, back it up, down and tap, rock back, down and turn, last wall, right, left, right, left, right, left, back it up, down and tap, rock back, down and turn. You have done the electric slide. So here's what it looks like with some music. Five, 6, 7, 8. To the right and left. To the right. All right, so we'll bring the dancers up. We'll do it several times through, give you a chance to really practice there. Have fun with it. You guys ready to do some dancing? Let's do the electric slide. 5, 6, 7, 8. Throw your own style in. You can add a spin as you like. Keep it small. Have some fun. And dance for the health of it. Yeah. Woo! Let me see you spin, guys. Come on. Throw one in. The more you just slide your feet, keeps it nice and graceful, and it gets you prepared for some of the more advanced dances that are coming to you from Brooke and Company. Woo, that was fun. How about it, guys? Yeah.